The digital landscape of 2026 is not merely an evolution of what came before, it represents a fundamental shift in the nature of online threats. The dangers we face are no longer confined to clumsy, easily spotted emails or brute force attacks against weak passwords. Instead, we are entering an era of sophisticated, surgically precise, psychologically manipulative cyber threats that target the very fabric of our trust and interconnectedness. This is a turning point because the same technologies promising to revolutionize our work and lives are also arming our adversaries with unprecedented capabilities. The time to understand these new traps is not when you are caught in one, but right now, before the damage is done. In the next few minutes, we will show you exactly how these attacks work and how to stop them. The first and perhaps most insidious threat is the weaponization of artificial intelligence in phishing attacks. Generative AI is a technology that can create new content, text, images, code based on the data it has been trained on. This powerful tool has been harnessed by attackers to eliminate the classic red flags of scam emails, creating messages that are grammatically perfect, contextually aware, and emotionally resonant. The era of poorly spelled emails from foreign princes is over. In its place is a far more dangerous adversary, a machine that can perfectly mimic human communication to exploit human trust. What makes these AI-driven attacks so different in 2026 is their scale and personalization. A campaign with the efficiency of a mass broadcast, but with the precision of a targeted assassination. The true danger of AI in phishing lies in its ability to overcome the human brain's own security filters. We are conditioned to look for anomalies, spelling mistakes, awkward phrasing, generic greetings as signs of a scam. Generative AI systematically erases these clues, producing flawless prose that bypasses our intuitive threat detection. The AI can analyze successful marketing copy, internal company memos, your publicly available writing, to learn how to communicate in a way that feels familiar and trustworthy. This creates a sense of authenticity that is deeply disarming. Consider the technical process. An attacker feeds the AI a simple prompt. Write a 150-word email from a CFO to an accounts payable clerk, asking for an urgent payment to a new vendor to avoid a late fee, referencing our recent Q2 earnings call. The AI can then generate a perfectly structured, professionally toned email, complete with corporate jargon and a sense of manufactured urgency. It can even be instructed to adopt a specific emotional tone, friendly, authoritative, stressed, to further manipulate the recipient. This is not just automation, it is the industrialization of deception. A chilling, real-world precursor involved AI-powered voice cloning. Scammers mimicked a CEO to order a six-figure wire transfer. The second major threat vector for 2026 is the digital supply chain attack, a strategy that exploits the trust between interconnected companies. A supply chain attack targets a less secure, smaller organization in order to gain access to a more secure, larger target. It's the digital equivalent of poisoning the water at the source to affect everyone downstream. As businesses rely on third-party software, cloud services, and managed providers, their attack surface expands beyond their walls. This creates a myriad of potential entry points. Every vendor, every third-party library, every integrated service represents a link in a long chain. It's often far easier to break into a small developer or local contractor than a major corporation's fortified defenses. Once compromised, the vendor becomes a trusted pathway for the real attack. Attackers may inject code into updates, use stolen credentials, or observe communications. The SolarWinds attack is the quintessential example. Attackers breached the vendor, inserted malicious code into Orion, and a routine update delivered it to thousands. Victims included US agencies and Fortune 500 companies, giving attackers a persistent, trusted foothold. Defending against supply chain attacks requires a shift from a perimeter-based model to a zero-trust architecture. The core principle, never trust, always verify. No user or device, inside or out, is trusted by default. Grant least privilege access and continuously re-verify. Assume a breach is a matter of when, and design with that in mind. First, gain visibility. Inventory all vendors, software, and services with access to your data. Then rigorously vet them. Review policies, demand audits, and write strict security requirements into contracts. Apply the highest scrutiny to vendors with privileged access. Demand proof, not promises. Implement strong segmentation to contain compromise and block lateral movement to crown jewel assets. Run code scanning and integrity monitoring on all updates, third-party and in-house, to catch injected code early. Apply security updates promptly. These often patch supply chain exploitable flaws. Be cautious with software and browser extensions from untrusted sources, vendors. Transparency about your security can be a competitive advantage and raises the bar for everyone. Collectively tightening defenses makes the supply chain more resilient and less attractive to attackers. The final threat we will examine is the terrifying evolution of ransomware. Ransomware encrypts files, then demands payment for the decryption key. However, by 2026, locking data is just the beginning. We are in the era of triple extortion ransomware, a multi-stage coercion campaign to ensure attackers get paid. First stage, classic data encryption, operations halt. Second stage, double extortion, steal sensitive data, then threaten to leak or sell it. This adds the threat of reputational damage, regulatory fines, and customer lawsuits. Third stage, the triple targets customers, partners, stakeholders, pressuring them to pressure you. Attackers may pile on with denial of service to isolate the victim. Public incidents show this in action. The Klopp Group has emailed customers and partners urging them to pressure the victim to pay. This shifts a simple financial choice into a crisis of customer trust, brand reputation, and legal liability. The cyber threats of 2026, driven by AI, spread through supply chains supercharged by new extortion tactics, are more sophisticated, more personal, and more damaging than ever before. Yet, the most effective defenses are built on simple, consistent security hygiene. We must learn to verify before we trust, segment our networks, and prepare for the worst-case scenario. Individuals, stay skeptical, verify out of band, use strong passwords with MFA. Businesses, embrace zero trust, vet suppliers, backup data, and rehearse incident response. Our collective security depends on each link in the chain, everyone owning their part. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay safe. Subscribe for practical security tips, in-depth guides, and timely threat alerts. Goodbye and see you next time.